Hey dreamers, welcome back to Dream Free Art. It's Tina here again, and today I'm going to show you how to upload an SVG file to CRICUT Design Space on the app and on the desktop. So first, let's start with what is an SVG. Basically, without getting too technical, it is an image that uses math to keep the same quality no matter what size it is. For us CRICUT creators, that means that we can make projects of all different sizes and the image will always look the same. To get started, I'm going to search for images for Mother's Day and find an SVG that I really want. After browsing through quite a few that I thought were really cute, I eventually settled on this one. Now I'm going to complete my order, then I'm going to click View Receipt, and at the bottom there's a file that has .svg on it. Now I'm going to click Download, and it should be saved to my phone. I'm going to open the CRICUT app, click New Project, remove any pop-ups that may appear. You know by now that I also love working with the grid off, so I turn the grid off and I'm ready to get started. I click Upload and then I click Browse Files. This brings up the downloaded image on my phone. I'm going to click the downloaded image file and then I'm going to name it something that'll help me remember what that file is. Now that it is named and saved, it now appears in my uploaded images gallery. I select the image and then I click Insert. Now the image has appeared in my canvas in Design Space. It's a little big, so I just have to either resize my canvas or resize the image so I can begin to work with it and make my projects. Now on to the desktop version. For this version, I decided to download blank nutrition facts SVGs. So I purchased them and now I click Download Files. Now I'm going to scroll down to the bottom of my confirmation page and find the file that I need. I'm going to download the zip file that I need by clicking Download on the other side. Once it is downloaded, I personally just like to open up my downloaded files to make sure that I can see the file that I need before I launch my Design Space software. My files were there, so I opened up my Design Space, click New Project, click Upload, and then I click Upload Image. Next, I click Browse, I click Downloads, and there's my file right there that I just downloaded. So I'm going to click the one that says .svg at the end, and there it is. And once again, I'm going to change the name to something that'll help me remember what image it is. And then I'm also going to add tags. The tags help me to search for the image that I'm looking for when I'm looking through my gallery. I've properly labeled the image, so now I'm going to save it, and there it is in my upload section. When I'm ready to use it, I'm going to select it and then click Insert Images. Now the image appears on my canvas. It came in a little bit big also, so I'm just going to adjust it so that I can start to work with it. And that's how you upload an SVG file to CRICUT Design Space using the app and using the desktop. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave us a comment if you want to continue to see videos like this one. Until next time, dreamers, bye.